In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a sprint in Jira. We'll walk through the full process from the backlog view all the way to launching the sprint, so you can set everything up clearly and confidently. This is a useful workflow if you're managing work in a Scrum board and want to organize tasks into a defined time period. To begin, open your Jira board and click on Backlog. This is where you'll typically prepare upcoming work before it moves into an active sprint. In the backlog view, you'll be able to create a new sprint container for the issues you plan to work on next. Once you're there, click on Create Sprint. This tells Jira that you want to add a new sprint section to your backlog. After that, click on Create to continue. At this point, Jira will prompt you to define the sprint. Now type the sprint name. Choose a name that is easy to recognize, since this helps your team quickly identify the sprint later. After entering the name, click on Create Again to finalize the sprint itself in the backlog. With the sprint now created, the next step is to launch it. Click on Start Sprint. This opens the sprint setup window where you'll enter the details that define the schedule and purpose of the sprint. First, enter the sprint name. If needed, you can confirm or adjust the name here so it matches your team's naming conventions. Next, enter the duration. This is the length of time the sprint will run, so make sure it aligns with your team's usual sprint cycle. After that, select the start date. Be sure to choose the date when the team is expected to begin work on the sprint. Then select the end date. This should match the intended sprint timeframe and gives everyone a clear deadline to work toward. Next, enter the sprint goal. This is an important part of the setup because it gives the sprint a clear objective. A good sprint goal helps the team stay focused on the outcome, not just the individual tasks. Keep it concise and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance. Finally, once everything looks correct, click on Start. That officially begins the sprint in Jira and moves it from planning into active execution. And that's it. You've now created and started a sprint in Jira. If you're setting this up for a team, it's always a good idea to quickly review the sprint name, dates, and goal before starting, so everyone begins with the same expectations.